Hello, I'm going to be washing my birds. These are them. Because they're really stinky. Anyway, here, Mom, back up so we don't get your phone wet. Oh, wait. This is a little too strong for them, I'm guessing. There you go, little buddy. You're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. You like it. Oh. So like, God knows how to do this really well. He's a good bird. No, don't come out. Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh my God, it's so hard to get. How does Dad do this? Nothing's the wettest one so far. She's a nice, soft little one. These two are just being butt knuckles. Oh, hold on, wait. I'm gonna stop the water for a second because I accidentally left